Hello there, my name's Jack. I'm the head technician here at Solar Scooters. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration for you today on one of our P1 models. This issue we've seen quite a lot in the comment sections, and it's just a slight free play in the folding mechanism itself. I'm just going to teach you how to rectify this at home if you should need to. For this job, we're going to need one ratchet, an extension of your choice, and a 10mm socket. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and fold the scooter down carefully like this. So the folding mechanism on these are actually working from a spring system. Over time and heavy use on or off road, they can and do tend to loosen up over time. To rectify this, just take your 10mm socket. It's around 3 to 5 turns from my experience. However, your scooter may differ, but you just tighten it up to a point that you think that you've got it correct. Unfold the scooter to check. Make sure it clicks into place properly. Just put your clamp in. If this clamp is really tough and you can't get it in, do not force it as you risk damage to the scooter. After it is seated correctly, what I like to do is grab the rear of the scooter. As you can see, no visible free play, and also the folding mechanism is working as it should. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.